hello family, and welcome back to my channel. Remember, this is part of the video or part of the episodes of us traveling during the holiday season in December. So now we are here in Durban. We arrived safe. So this is our first day, and when we were about to go and do our sightseeing, we found this family at the parking space, and this boy was dying to get on the motorbike, and the father didn't even know where he was gonna find us and all that, because some people are just respectful like that. So he kindly requested that the boy get on the bike so that he can shoot some pictures, and then we were right back to our schedule, off to our sightseeing. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please leave a comment, and also like and share this video so that you can help my channel grow. And also comment, because I haven't been receiving a lot of comments from you, but I see that you are watching my videos. So I will highly recommend that you leave me a comment if you are enjoying the videos, what else do you want to see, and how you can advise, and also my writing style. Guys, do you like what I do, or you just watch for sake of watching? So I don't want you to get bored with my videos. I want you to like, share and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I load a new video and you are able to see. And again, when I make these videos, it takes a lot of editing. So I would like to hear from other content creators, how long does it take for you to edit your videos, and do you post immediately on the days, or do you also take some time like me? So let me not take a lot of your time. This is Durban KZN, and enjoy. Okay, here's what happened here. When we were riding, I just checked on my camera. I'm using the Insta360 X2, and I realized that no, man, this recording is not clear. Anyway, it was so cloudy on this day that the sky was just gray. So I don't know if I was supposed to check the settings before recording, or if I can still edit before I post my videos. So if you're using this camera or you know anything about it, please leave a comment and let me know what I was supposed to do, because clearly this is gonna be this gray up until we get back to the hotel. But anyway, sorry to disturb your viewing. Continue and watch the video. This is Devin KZN. Here's the first best moment of this trip. I meet my colleague, Bongani, hashtag Bongani Nation. Oh, we were so excited to see each other. I knew he was in Durban, but I didn't think we would even bump into each other. So this was the best moment ever. So you might have noticed that on most our videos I'm always in the front. But if we are in the inner city and especially in a city where I'm not familiar with and I start feeling uncomfortable around the motor vehicles, I switch positions so that I can ride at the back until I'm comfortable enough to go back to the leading position. So this is what happened in this case. I wasn't feeling very comfortable, so I had to switch. So we arrived in Gateway Mall, and just like any other mall during this time of the year, it's fully, fully packed. Luckily, we are riding on motorcycles, so we won't struggle with parking. But to get to even that motorcycle parking bay, it took us a while. So if you want to see a lot of humans in one place, just wait for December and go to any mall. So yeah, we arrived. Let's see what Gateway has for us. So finally, we arrived at the parking space, and this kind gentleman is moving their bikes, the delivery guys, so that we can get some space and park our bikes. And now, boys will be boys. Now it's all about how big the bike is, which one is the fastest, which one is more expensive. And yeah, I just listened to them and laughed when I was just taking off my gear. So it was nice. And the good thing is that everyone here comes from different places and they share their love for the motorcycles and cars and everything that moves or that has wheels. So, yes, we arrived and we are going to have our dinner here and go back to the hotel. So this is our second day in Durban, and we decided to ride out to Harley Davidson dealership in Durban to see what they have in store. Maybe we can get ourselves some merchandise if we see what we like, and also to check out the bikes that they have. So come with us and enjoy the ride. We are off to Umhlanga because the dealership is in Umhlanga.